my god, look at that. The spicy spot. I love this candy brand, and they actually sent me this a little while back ago. I just suck at, I've been in like a rut about my diet, so I haven't really wanted to like let myself eat anything that tastes good, like candy. But this one, oh my god, the bubblegum Gushers, and it actually comes with bubblegum pieces, so I wanted to try this finally. So I was like, I just can't gatekeep this for myself anymore. We're gonna do a bubblegum piece and a Gusher together. Mmm. The only thing is, I don't know, I'm gonna swallow the gum. This is so, it's like sweet, but like not too sweet. Oh, it's so good. I'm not a Gushers girly, but when you make Gusher in interesting flavors like this, I'm all for it. The spicy spot.